Spoken English. First sentence. मोर केही नाहंती. I have no one. I have no one. କଥା ହେବାକୁ ମୋର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି. I have no one to talk to. I have no one to talk to. ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ବି କହିପାରିବା. I have no one to talk. I have no one to talk. ତୁମ ବିନା ମୋର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି. କହିବା ଅର୍ଥ ତୁମ ଛଡ଼ା ମୋର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି. I have no one except you. I have no one except you. ତୁମକୁ କିଏ କହିଲା? Who told you? Who told you? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing? What are you doing? କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? What for? What for? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ଥିଲ? Where were you? Where were you? ତୁମେ କେବେ ଆସିଲ? When did you come? When did you come? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହିଲ? What did you say? What did you say? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? What do you have? What do you have? ତୁମେ ଜାଣ କି? Do you know? Do you know? ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବ କି? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ ଚୁପ୍ ଅଛ? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଉନ? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? ତୁମେ ବଦଳି ଯାଇଛ. You have changed. You have changed. କେବଳ ସମୟ ହିଁ କହିବ. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. ଫୋନ୍ ଉଠାଅ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. ଜୋରରେ କୁହ. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. ଫୋନ୍ କାଟିଦିଅ. Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ବି କହିପାରିବା. Hang up the call. Hang up the call. ଆଉ ଥରେ ଫୋନ୍ କର. Call again. Call again. ତୁମେ ଶୁଣୁଛ କି? Are you listening? Are you listening? ତୁମେ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣୁଛ କି? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? ହଁ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁଛି. Yes, I'm listening. Yes, I'm listening. ତୁମେ ଖାଇଲ କି? Did you eat? Did you eat? ହଁ ଖାଇଲି. ଆଉ ତୁମେ? Yes, I had. And you? Yes, I had. And you? ମୁଁ ଖାଇସାରିଛି. କହିବା ଅର୍ଥ ଏବେ ଏବେ ମୁଁ ମୋ ଖାଇବା ଶେଷ କରିଛି. I have finished eating. I have finished eating. ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ବି କହିପାରିବା. ଯେମିତିକି I am done eating. I am done eating. ଆମେ ଏବେ ଖାଇବା ଶେଷ କରିଛେ ଆଉ ଆମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି. ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା I am done eating. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ରୁହ? Where do you live? Where do you live? ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ରୁହେ। I live in ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର। I live in ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର। ତୁମେ ଏକା ରୁହ କି? Do you live alone? Do you live alone? ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ପଚାରୁଛ? Why are you asking? Why are you asking? ତୁମକୁ କ'ଣ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ବା ତୁମର କ'ଣ ପସନ୍ଦ? What do you like? What do you like? ମୋତେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ। I like to travel. I like to travel. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କର? What do you do? What do you do? ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଛାତ୍ର। I am a student. I am a student. ତୁମର କୌଣସି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର କି? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? ହଁ, ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କର। Yes, please help me. Yes, please help me. ଦୟାକରି ଏଠି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Please wait here. Please wait here. ତୁମେ ଏବେ କେମିତି ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛ? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି। I am feeling much better. I am feeling much better. ତୁମେ ଆସିବ କି? Will you come? Will you come? ନା, ମୁଁ ଯିବି ନାହିଁ। No, I won't. No, I won't. ତୁମେ କାଲି ଆସିବ କି? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି। I can't say. I can't say. ତୁମେ କେବେ ଯିବ? When will you go? When will you go? ମୁଁ ପରେ ଯିବି। I will go later. I will go later. ମୁଁ ପହରଦିନ ଯିବି। I will go day after tomorrow. I will go day after tomorrow. ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼କୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠୁ ଆସୁଛ? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଚେୟାର ଦେଲି ବସିବାକୁ। I gave him a chair to sit. I gave him a chair to sit. ସେ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକାରର ଲୋକ? What sort of person is he? What sort of person is he? ଏହି ଖାଦ୍ୟ କେମିତି ଲାଗେ? What does this food taste like? What does this food taste like? ସଭା ଆଜି କରାଯିବ। The meeting will be held today. The meeting will be held today. That's it. ये थे आमर किसी daily use sentences. So please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing.